Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you a simple app that can allow you to monitor or track your medication intake for your vitamins or doctor's prescriptions. So, as what you know by now, the coronavirus or the COVID-19 virus has been gaining momentum all over the world, and it's unfortunate that people has to die with this new strain of flu. And as a preventive measure, while we're still healthy, all we have to do is to avoid public places and wash our hands for like 20 seconds, and of course take in vitamins that we use to take to maintain a very strong immune system, like vitamin C or multivitamins. That's really helpful to have a fighting chance or have an immunity to this new strain of virus until a vaccine can be formulated against it. So while it's not yet available, all we can do is to regularly take vitamins and do good hygiene and good food. So this app is called Medisafe. So this is Medisafe, and I'll show you how you can download it from the Google Play Store. I'm using a Galaxy S8, so this is an Android device. So this is the pill reminder and medication tracker. That's the whole name of the app, but I just call it Medisafe to be short. So it's from the company Medisafe, and you have to install it. It's for free. Then you just open it, and you don't really need to have an account to use this app. I'm just using it as a guest, and I have right now vitamin C scheduled for like 8 a.m. and I rescheduled it at this one taken at like 5:08 p.m. This is military time, so this app is you have to reorient yourself to the military time, and you can interact with your medication schedules through these pages. The medications in home, I mostly stick with home, and the more is like the settings that you have. If you upgrade to premium version of the app, it's just a free app. No need for you to get the premium version if you don't want to. And I'm going to show you how you can add a dose or medication, add medication, add measurement, or add dose. So these are different things. Measurement, of course, the if you're taking in liquids or tablets, what's the measurement of your medication and dosage? If you have in terms of milligrams or something, if you have a tapered, scheduled intake of prescription drugs, that can be really helpful for you to track that you're taking in the right dosage and avoid underdosage or overdosage. Let's just add medication for now. I'm gonna add like a multivitamin. As you enter, it will give you some specific brands, but you can still override it by putting on your own name for your medicine or your vitamins. Multivitamin, it's not really that complicated. And reminder times, if you don't want to be reminded, but reminder times is the purpose of the app. So this is why we recommend this to you, so you can use it to remind yourself to take in once daily or twice daily. So you can, if you're twice daily, of course you can set 2 separate times for your intake. So once daily, I'll set it to 9 a.m. That's good. How many tablets do you have to take? Just one. And schedule it. Of course, I'm going to take it every day. You can take it twice, specific days of the week or days interval. You can also do that. Take every day, then you can set a medicine icon. If you have like an orange caplet, like a tablet with a capsule shape, I like the orange one, and just tap on done. That's it. You will be reminded every day at 9 a.m. to take in your multivitamin. Just take one. That's it. You have to wait, and then it's not gonna disturb you or something. It's just gonna show a notification on your notification bar. And in case you want to delete something or edit something, and then you can just tap on it and you can skip if you're allowed to do that. You can reschedule, select a different time, or you can untake if that's you mistakenly take it, like you take you tap on the take button. You can untake it if you really didn't take in your vitamins. You have to be very honest with yourself. And then when you can see on the top, you have a calendar, so you can see that every day it will be shown to you the vitamins that you are to take. So I basically just set them to remind me every day to take in my vitamins after I take in my coffee or had breakfast, something before I go to work. So that's it, guys. And you can also delete them by the same way. You can tap and delete. You can delete this dose only, or all the future dose that you will be reminded of. So it's that easy. You can just you can exit the app and be reminded on the specific time that you have set for yourself. So always be safe, guys. I know that the coronavirus is not yet curable at this very point in time, and Australia in particular has been gaining some cases as much as other parts of the world. It's not really decelerating as we have expected, and it might go for months like this. So I hope that you will be healthy and safe, and just don't panic. Follow the advice of the World Health Organization and the Department of Health of Australian government. And to like and subscribe if you like this video. Like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. And till next time, guys, cheers.